gonna house tour again. I have a new kitchen. That's why. Don't worry, I will get the chair in this. This is my new kitchen. You like it, guys? And I'm not done here. Mom, where's Mom? Mom! What, hon? Be quiet. Be quiet, hon. I want to go play. Fine. Just don't be caught. And protect yourself. Who is your friend? Alexa. Call Alexa. Why, see? Let's sorry guys, I don't know. Let's go to the mall. Okay. Sorry for the glitch. First, you're gonna take a bath. Okay, I'm going to take a bath. Sorry guys. Wait a minute. Hi guys, sorry for the stop because she's going to get a bath and she's done. Where is she? This is her. Say hi. Hi. Dad, can I use your credit card? That's not my credit card, hon. That's yours. Okay, Dad. Sorry for the ugly voice. Let's go now. Wait for me. Oh no. Let's wait for the bus. Let's go inside. That's my head and my name. Hey, who are you? Okay. We're going to the school. Sorry for the boys. That's my dad and Danny. Sorry guys. It's annoying. Don't mind it. Let's go. Oh no, ouch. Let's go outside. Get the two and me. Let's go to the market shop. We're going to get ice cream and some toys. ice cream first. Just going to hack this. Let's fight it. Where it could be. And I'm going to show hacks, guys. Sorry for the voice. It's loud. Let's get ice cream now. Let's see. Oh, what? Wait a minute, guys. I'm going to stop the time. Hi guys, sorry for the late. I'm 18 and I forgot where I'm going. Oh my gee, I forgot, guys. Oh, to the ice cream shop. Mine is trophy. Oh no, where did you eat? Mine is a flower. Alam mo bang halap kita, kit mo pag nagagalit ka, di ka man. Why I eat that? This is okay. Let's go pay now. Thank you for hanging out. You're welcome. Thanks for helping yesterday. She helped me in her homework. Let's go. We're going to get hot dog. Hi, can I order a hot dog? Only one hot dog. Okay, it's gonna be ready in 1 second. Where is this? This is your hot dog. Thank you. It's cost 2 pesos, 4 pesos. I want this. I want a drink, please. Drink. I want strawberry. That's apple. This. Let's go. What is this, guys? If you want a hack, just say it in the comments down below. Where next we'll go pizza, because we love pizza. Wait a minute. Oh. Hi, can I order a bubble tea because that's the girl is mean in the school. Yeah. Oh my god! Ew! You two again? Get away from me! Ew! It's so ugly.
Yung pag nakik yung kanina antimix ko.
Opo. What? I don't care. Just going to get pizza. And you are a ugly bee. No, I am pretty. Sorry for the noise. Wait a minute, guys. I'm going to stop. Sorry, guys. What do you mean? I'm not mean to you. You're mean to me. I don't care. I'm the queen girl at the school. You're gonna be so ugly in the school today. And your friend is going to be ugly too. I hate you too. Ako na ba? I'm the queen bee. Huh? Huh? You're not the queen bee. I'm the queen bee. No. Everyone is going to be my students, and you are not the queen bee. I'm the queen bee. Hey, what is your order? No, I'm in my restaurant. Because of you. Get out. I'm going to tell my mommy. Where's my mommy? Wait a minute, guys. This is her mommy. What happened, honey? Why are you crying? Some bullies at the school bully me, okay? Sino yung nabubully dito? Wala po siya nauna. Umiiyak na po siya. Ikaw bata ko. Umuwi ka nga doon. Mom, this is your order. Now eat. Haha, he fall for it. Let's go eat. What do you want? This. This is my drink. Let's go. Let's get some ice creams. This is mine. This is mine. Thank you, ba. You're welcome. Let's now go. We're gonna be back at 7 o'clock. We're going to shut in a moment. It's night time now. Where's the girls? It's night time. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the street. I'm done. Let's go.